Right, yo guys, I got some good news. I think the second or third person came to view the car today, and we bargained the price. Obviously, I stood firm with the price that I wanted. And he didn't have enough on him today, so tomorrow he's coming at 11 o'clock to pick up the car, which is good. We sold it, man. It's gonna be on to the next project. Obviously, I know that I can't sell more than, is it 10 or 7 cars a year or something like that, unless I declare myself as is it a sole trader, a car trader, or something like that. But yeah, it's gonna be on to the next one. But mad thing, that car sold quick, man. It's a good condition car anyway. What are you doing, bro? You saying you want to be on cam? Did you see yourself on that video? Yeah. You see yourself, but what were you doing in that video?
Literally coming out the window in my car.
Look, you're on this one though. What are you gonna say to them? Don't act weird, bro.
Alright, make sure you like, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And what else?
Or the FBI's gonna come to your house.
No. Like, comment, subscribe, and put on the notification.
Yep. Ring that bell.
Yes. Come on. Little bro sports the thing, innit? My little G, standing on the sofa. Get off me. But yeah, you already know what. Hey, what's sold, Alex?
The new car.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Purchase. Mad thing, innit? A mad thing, bro. No, we gotta do a little. Jeez. Yeah, man, thing sold. And yeah, also tomorrow I'm gonna show you a little clip of what the car looks like and like the condition it's in, how nice I done it. Because what I done was, you know those steel wheels behind the hubcaps, I sprayed them gloss black today. I didn't film it because I was just doing it quickly. I sprayed them gloss black and it makes the world of difference. I might just insert a photograph now of what it looks like. And yeah, I'll show you guys the Muller tomorrow when he comes to pick up the car. Man, I'm excited. At least something's working out for me. You know what I mean? So I might just have to keep doing this. And I made good profit. Profit. Come on, bro. Get me, brotherly love. Bless up, Paul. What you gotta say?
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Alright, YouTube. I'm just keeping you updated on what's been going on about the car. What's really been going on is it's still up for sale. The person who said he was going to buy it, there's an English barrier between me and him. He was speaking Somalian to me and I don't really understand what he's saying. He doesn't understand what I'm saying. So well, we saw him, we agreed a deal, and he was meant to come yesterday. I messaged him and he said he's not going to be able to come yesterday. He wasn't able to make it yesterday. Because we agreed for 11 o'clock yesterday, and then 11 o'clock came, he didn't turn up, so I messaged him saying, are you still coming? What time are you coming? And he didn't understand what I was saying. So, yeah, vice versa. I just stopped bothering him and I don't want to bother no one. Obviously, man, probably don't have the money or something. But yeah, it says, something about his friend, he's waiting for his friend to take him, and then he says, he can't make it. And yeah, messaged me since. But I have someone else coming to view the car tomorrow, which is good. Hopefully she buys it. I'd also had another person view the car as well. But yeah, man, that's just what's been going on. And on Monday, the VXR is getting dropped off to get fixed. The VXR is getting dropped off to get fixed. And yeah, man, I'm excited, man. I'm excited to go to stage. What stage am I going again? Stage 4. After I break the engine, I'm going stage 4, and I can drive my VXR again. I can do POVs. I have so much stuff I want to do. I'm going to do the interior. Just keep tuned, man. Keep tuned. Yo, the car has just sold. Come on. Made a little profit. Mad. You're going to see them drive fast in a bit. Yo, come on. On to the next. On to the next. Mad. It's gone. They've driven off. Sold it. Come on. Yo! The thing has sold! Yeah, man. It's sold, innit? On to the next. We're going to be looking at the next car, and coming up soon, the VXR is getting forged. It's getting fixed. Keep tuned. On Monday, I'm dropping it off. It's going to be sad to see it go, but it's going to come back bigger and better. And yeah, just keep tuned, man. Keep tuned. And yeah, on to the next car. Bless. Wait there, that's not the finish. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Help me get 700 subscribers. It's needed. Trying to get to 1,000, but you know, 100 at a time. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a £50 giveaway. So yeah, all you gotta do is just subscribe and comment down below that you've done it. And yeah, bless up.